Hi everyone, welcome back to another quick edition of One Meal a Day Modified. And yes, I am going for the creme de la creme royale today. And I am having a porterhouse steak, or T-bone, sorry, a T-bone. I considered porterhouse, but today we're having actually a T-bone steak. And with this T-bone, I actually have some angel hair pasta, some trumpet royale mushrooms, asparagus, tomato, shallots, and garlic. So I made basically a vegetable ragu to go with my angel hair pasta. Yes. So this is what I'm having. It's going to take me forever to eat this. And I am going to enjoy every bit of it, but this is all I am eating today because, I mean, the porterhouse is huge. It's a huge piece of steak. It's thick. And the way I made this actually is I roasted it on top of one of the racks in our griller that we have built into the oven. So it's sort of like it gives you a grilling, baking or roasting type of effect, but I did it in a pan. So I just wanted to try something different, and it's actually quite juicy. So I was kind of surprised by that. And to make my vegetable ragu, easy. Chop up a bunch of veg that you like, add some herbs, add some spices, add some olive oil. Cook that right on top inside of a thick frying pan and let it sort of just simmer for quite a while. Cover it for a few minutes and it's done. Angel hair pasta. No, I did not make this homemade fresh. I don't make homemade pasta. Just the convenience of buying really good pasta today, thankfully, is one that is an option for us all. But what I do is of course, boil the water, add a little bit of olive oil to it, add my pasta. I like mine al dente, and it's done. And if you think about everything I just said, it looks as if it's a meal that took a while to make, but it was really a pretty quick meal. So thank you for tuning in. Remember that health is wealth. And I hope that you will share down below in the comments what you ate today.